How to use MyChart Bill Pay feature. To use the MyChart Bill Pay feature, you simply have to navigate to the billing summary. So go ahead and launch the mobile application or simply open any web browser of your choice, then head to the MyChart website. Then proceed to log into your account. Once you have logged in, head to the main menu and select the billing summary. From there, view your current outstanding balances and select or simply click the Pay Now button next to the specific balance or account statement you wish to settle. Choose to pay the full balance, the minimum amount due, or input a custom amount in the payment field. Select your preferred payment method. Once you set this up, you simply have to set up a plan. Now, click the Set Up Payment Plan button directly beneath the total balance. Choose your monthly installment amount or select how many months you need to pay off the debt. Then input your saved card info or bank account that will be automatically charged on a recurring monthly debt of your choice. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.